I think a lot of, with Tonya Harding's story, the thing that's interesting is that she was a phenomenal athlete, but was judged so much on her personality, which is just very sad that, she should be judged for her athleticism. The skating in the film was really fun to work on. There are several skating sequences, and the thing that was really interesting and challenging about them was they all have their own personality. This one is very early in the film, and she's, very raw and gruff and has her own personality, and that sequence shows that by, quick cutting and lots of movement and energy. And then ones later on, at the very end of the film, there's one that is actually 3 pieces, but all sewn together as one long one that creates tension, and there's the sound of the stadium, and it's just tense and emotional. And so each one is very, very different, which was nice to kind of figure out how to sculpt those and make those through the process, have their own personality. Skating in action and everything is really fun to do and challenging, but the dialogue and the character pieces are equally as challenging, if not more so, I think. There's subtleties, there are little eye movements, they're taking the time and the pause to figure out how to make this work. And that particular sequence I really like because it starts off as just a dinner sequence. It escalates very quickly to this argument, and the mother's heaving stuff at her. And one of the things she grabs is a knife and throws it, and it's shocking, disturbing, violent. And neither character expects it. The audience doesn't expect it. And then there's the comedy part, which adds to that again, which the film is always sort of dancing back and forth between this very emotional, sad, tragic story and just the absurdity of the story and the craziness that brings in this whole comedy element that is fun.